Welcome friends, we will see in this video on definition of divisibility, properties of divisibility and greatest common divisor. And the integer a is said to be, integer b is said to be divisible by an integer a not equal to 0. In symbol we write this like a is a divisor of b. Then there exists an integer c such that b equal to a into c. If this property is satisfied, then b is said to be divisible by a. If it is not divisible, we write this like this. This is a symbol used for non-divisibility. A is not divisor of b, and we can say any integer is divisor of 0. This is the first property. Any integer is divisor of 0. 1 is divisor of any integer, and a is divisor of a, means any divisor is a divisor of itself. Now any integer is divisor of 1 if and only if a is equal to plus or minus 1. This is the second property. Third property, if a is divisor of b, c is divisor of d, then ac is divisor of bd. Fourth property, if a is divisor of b is divisor of c, then a is divisor of c. Fifth property, a is divisor of b and b is divisor of a if and only if a equal to plus or minus b. If a is divisor of b and b is not equal to 0, then mod a less than equal to b. Last one, if a is divisor of b and a is divisor of c, then a is divisor of bx plus cy for any integer x and y. First 5 properties are very easy, since if we like to prove a is divisor of a, then we can see that there exists an integer 1. See, this is the value of c. So these are quite easy, and therefore we will leave it, and we prove f and g as you can see on your screen. So what is a f property? If a is divisor of b and b is not equal to 0, then mod a less than equal to mod b. Now let us apply the definition. What is the definition? B is a divisor, a is a divisor of b if and only if b equal to a into c for some integer a into c. Now here b is non-zero, therefore there exists guarantee of c. Now let us take the modulus. Mod of b equal to, we get mod of a into mod of c. Now you can see that mod of a into mod of c is greater than equal to mod of c. Therefore it is greater than equal to mod of a. Since c is greater than equal to a, c is not equal to 0. So it follows that a is less than equal to b. Now see the g property. If a is a divisor of b, a is divisor of c. A is a divisor of b means b equal to, a is divisor of b means b equal to a into r, and a is divisor of c, so we get c equal to a into s. Then bx plus cy, let us calculate this bx plus cy here, and you can see that this is a into rx plus sy. As a rx plus sy is an integer, again it is of the type this, and therefore this shows that a is a divisor of bx plus cy, and hence we have proved the theorem. Next one, see the definition of greatest common divisor. The integer, which is we denote this by the symbol GCD of a comma b. What is the greatest common divisor? Any positive integer d is said to be greatest common divisor. In short, the GCD of a comma b, it is called greatest common divisor. D is a positive integer. If this satisfies these two properties, d is divisor of a and d is divisor of b, and if c is any divisor of a and b, then c is less than equal to d. Now look at this example. Divisor of minus 12. Divisor of minus 12 are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Divisor of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now list the common divisors. We can see that common divisors are 1, 1, 2, 3 and 6. Among these common divisors, 6 is the largest, and therefore greatest common divisor of minus 12 and 30 is a 6. So this is a very simple example. Now see one theorem. What is a if given integers a and b both not 0, then there exist integers x and y such that their greatest common divisor is ax plus by. To prove this theorem, let us suppose that we have an set S which is of the type like this: AU plus BV. All the members of the set S are is of the type AU plus BV. AU plus BV is greater than 0 and U and V are integers. Now you can see that integer A mod if A is not equal to 0, we write this as A into U plus B into 0. So here V equal to 0, we get V equal to 0, and according as is positive or negative, U equal to plus or minus 1, then P equal to plus or minus 1. So it is of the type AU plus BV, and hence mod A is a member of S. Mod A it is of the type AU plus BV. Mod A is a member of S. Therefore, it belongs to S. Hence, S is a non-empty. Now we can apply well ordering principle. By well ordering principle, S must have smallest element. Let us see that smallest element D. But all the members of S are of the type AU plus BV. So D must be also of the type AU plus BV. So we write this D as equal to AX plus BY. Now we claim that this D is the greatest common divisor of A and B. Now to prove this, let us apply the division algorithm. That is, consider the integer A and D. Then by division algorithm, there exist Q and R such that A equal to QD plus R. Now what is R? R is a remainder. Q is a quotient. Then there is a restrictions on R. R is less than D. Now we write this R like this: R equal to A minus QD. Substituting the value of D here, AX plus BY, we get this relation like A in bracket 1 minus QX plus B into minus QY. So if R is positive, means R is greater than 0 but less than D. So this representation imply that R is of the type, again R is of the type AX plus BY is here. A U equal to, if we take 1 minus QX and V equal to minus QY, then R is of the type AU plus BY. But then R is a member of S then. So but R is a less than T. Remember this. So R is a member of S and R is less than D. But D is the smallest integer of S. We arrive at a contradiction, and hence R equal to 0. This implies this is not possible. Hence there is only possibility, that is R equal to 0. If R equal to 0, then what we get? We get A equal to QD, or equivalently D is a divisor of A. Similarly we can prove that D is a divisor of B, and first property of greatest common divisor is satisfied, that is that D is a common divisor of A and B. Now suppose if C is any common divisor of A and B, then apply the G property, that is C is a divisor of AX plus BY. That means C is a divisor of D, or mod C is less than equal to D, mod D. Mod C is less than equal to mod D, but C is positive, so C is equal to mod C. That is, C is a greater than every positive common divisor of A and B, and hence D is a greatest common divisor of A and B. So friends, I hope this will helpful for your examination. Thank you for watching.